there, we're back with a brand new video. This one's how to use our messaging center. It's very straightforward. You click on the chat button on the toolbar, open chat. You then have the option to go on room chat or to message individuals. Here, all their names are initialed, but if you'd like to see people's full names, all you have to do is extend it, and like so, you'll see everyone's full names. Or you can equally search for someone, search for Louise, for example, type a message here. You can also add files or emojis and then send, or equally you can message your room chat, which would notify everyone who is currently in your room. My room is currently empty, but if there were people, everyone would be able to see this message here.